So I'm here at the DeepCool Booth at CES to check out some of their new products. In fact, I'm actually using some of their parts for my January build, so make sure to stick around for that. When you're building PCs, it's all about finding the best deals out there on the parts to make the most out of your build. And speaking of deals, I want to give a huge shout out to .tech Domains for sponsoring this episode. I'm all about tech, and the .tech domain is also great branding for startups, enthusiasts, vloggers, and even companies from the tech industry. The biggest example is, of course, CES.tech, who migrated to the .tech extension last year, and since then, .tech crossed 300,000 registrations and is still growing today. So if you guys want your very own .tech domain at a great price of $3.99 for 1 year or $49.99 for 10 years, then visit www.get.tech and use the coupon code listed on the screen. So to start off the show, and my personal favorite is their Quad Stellar case. Similar to the Tri-Stellar case, which I did a build in a few months ago, this one has 4 separate compartments instead of 3. One for the motherboard, power supply, graphics card, and hard drives. It features 4 tempered glass side panels, RGB lighting near the front, and quite possibly the coolest feature is their thermal solution that's inside the case. Basically, there are temperature sensors located in each compartment, and depending on how hot it gets, the front panel will either open or close to get the right amount of airflow. What's also cool about this case, other than the design, is that it supports full ATX motherboards, meaning that you have more options to choose from when deciding what build you want to go with. It will be available in May 2017, and the price will be slightly cheaper than the Tri-Stellar. If you guys are interested in seeing me build inside this case, let me know by hitting that like button. It should be an interesting video. My other favorite case from the showroom was the Baron Case Liquid Tower, which has a micro ATX form factor, but supports full-size ATX motherboards. They were able to achieve this by removing the PSU cover near the bottom and moving that on the other side. Quite genius if you ask me. This case also comes with their new Captain 120EX liquid cooling system, which by the way is now RGB, and there's even a flow meter for an added cool effect. The top solid metal handle is nice for carrying around the PC, however it is optional and can be taken off by simply removing the screws on the sides. This retails for $130 and will be available in April 2017. Cases are not the only thing they announced at CES. DeepCool has officially released their first ever RGB fans. 2 different variations to be exact. We have one with an X design, and the other is actually frameless. The MF120 GT has an aluminum alloy frame, which is detachable for easy cleaning, and the fan speed ranges from 500 to 2200 RPM via a PWM connection. DeepCool did state that these can be used for both airflow and static pressure. You can use the provided RGB controller to change the lights on the fans, or you can download their very own GS Control app via iOS or iPhone and control the lights or effects straight from the app, which I thought was really cool. It comes in a pack of 3 and goes for $99, whereas the MF120s, which are the frameless ones, cost $10 less. They should hit the market in April 2017. As always, I got tons more coverage on CES 2017, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.